Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. Achoo. Okay, we really need to figure out what I need to feel better. Our clues are a spoon, a ball, and vegetables. So what could make me feel better with a spoon, a ball, and vegetables? Oh, does Tigger want me to do the vegetable dance with the spoon and the bowl?
No.
No, that's kind of silly. Well, what could make me feel better with a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables?
Vegetable soup.
Soup. That's it. Tigger thinks I need Phineas and Ferb's famous vegetable soup to feel better. Is that it, Tigger? Yes, it is. Ooh. We just figured out Tigger's clues.